check out the hottest and most anticipated ride-on cars from RiiRoo this year. If you're looking for a ride-on car with some great styling and a little different from the norm, then you've got to check out our latest 12-volt battery electric VW Arteon ride-on car. Not only is it true to its real size counterpart, but it also has power to match with its 12-volt battery and powerful motors. It's suitable for children of up to 8 years of age or up to 128 cm in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 GHz parental remote control, functioning horn, opening doors, official brand stickers and badges, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. The 5-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. 3-way key start with keys included. Padded leather style seats. The Bluetooth connectivity features allows you to connect a phone or tablet to play music. The spray painted finish is like no other car on the market. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.